Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of recreating thumbnails. So today's thumbnail is really very simple. This one, that's the science of aesthetics. Why do some things just look so good, right? So it is just a simple car. So I have three cars. We'll make three thumbnails today. This one I have got from free pick. This one I have got from this article. So we have this car over here. I have removed its background. And then the last one I have got from here. So what I can do is I can create three thumbnails. Let's get started. Let's create a frame of a size 1920 by 1080. Let's rename it to day 2, part 1. And this has no background at all. It has some background, but white will do fine. So I won't add that background. Let's add the text. The science of, we won't write aesthetics, we will write thumbnails. Okay. Now the font is not Roboto. We can search for a font, something like this. So let's start from the start. Okay, Albert Sans will do. Let's increase the size to 128. And let's change now the font of this one, thumbnail. Let's go for some handwriting one. This is not looking good. Not this one. Nope. Nope. Not this one too. How about this one? This one is not the same, but looks good. You can add it. Now, this thumbnail size is very small. So what I can do is I'll increase the size of thumbnails only. This much looks good. Now we have our text ready. Just the middle of this frame. Now let's add the cars one by one. So what I'll do is I'll duplicate these frames, the 3, 2 and 3. Let's add this car to here, this one here and this one here. Okay. Starting with this, add this car to center and let's resize it. Now what we want is this kind of arrow, right? Let's go to icons, iconify, and let's search for arrow. The arrow, and we have got many. Okay, we have somewhere over here. So we can import this. Let's import it as a frame and let's close iconify. So we have that icon imported over here. We can move it somewhere here and let's remove this icon from its frame and delete the frame. Let's move this icon and let's increase its size and let's rotate it and transform it something like this. Now this looks good. Okay, and thumbnail is ready. But since we are creating three thumbnails, let's move to this one. Okay, just a small change. Move it a little bit downward and do it like this. Okay, now let's move this car to the center and here let's copy this one and I think we are good to go. Let's resize it a bit, as well as we are going to resize this car too and move this icon down. We are going to do the same with this. Okay, so within a few minutes we have two thumbnails ready. Now for this one I'll have to remove this background, right? So I'll run remove bg again. Let's run remove bg and the background will be removed. Okay, the background is removed. Now, what I can do is I can just make this car like this and select this one. Let's move it over here. So, the signs of thumbnails. Let's move this car somewhere to this. Now, we can do this. And let's add this arrow over here. Okay, so one more thing is remaining over here, the shadow. In this, I won't add a shadow because I want to give the user that perception that the car, the sun, the light is just above this car, so there's no shadow. But for this, the light is coming from here. We'll add a shadow over here. Let's add a shadow. Let's add a rectangle over here and like this. Let's give the rectangle a feel of black and let's move it behind the car. Okay. And let's move it over here. Add an effect, not the drop shadow, just the layer blur. And let's increase the blur to something extraordinary. So now the shadow is way too much broad. Let's just do it like this. Or let's decrease the blur so that at least it gives the perception that this is a car. Okay, now the shadow is also here. The 3 thumbnails are ready, guys. Let me know in the comment section how was my logic of creating 3 thumbnails from this one, and did you like it or not? Do subscribe to the channel, create a sauce. I'll see you the next day. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.